If 5.55 to the power x is equal to 0.555 to the power y equal to 1000, then what is the value of 1 over x minus 1 upon y? In such questions, more importantly is to understand how are we going to proceed to this question. So we have to analyze that how can we obtain this expression which is to be answered from the given input. So the very first thing that we can do is we already have 5.55 to the power x is equal to 1000. So what I'm doing is I am taking the power 1 over x both sides, because that gives me an expression of 1 by x at some place. So we have an expression 5.55, and here the powers get cancelled out, becomes equal to 1000 raised to the power 1 over x. The similar exercise I'm going to do with the other information, which is 0.555 raised to the power y is equal to 1000. So we can once again take the power 1 upon y both sides, and that way we have 1 upon y available at some place, and this becomes 0.555 is equal to 1000 to the power 1 upon y. Now the rule of mathematics says that a raised to the power x divided by a raised to the power y becomes a raised to the power x minus y. So this is one rule that we are going to apply, because we have 1000 to the power 1 upon x here, and we have 1000 to the power 1 upon y here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the equation 1 by equation 2. So we can write as 5.55 divided by 0.555. That's what we have on the left hand side, and to the right hand side we have 1000 raised to the power 1 upon x divided by 1000 raised to the power 1 upon y. And now we are going to simplify this. Now using these simplification, we get 10 is equal to 1000 raised to the power 1 over x minus 1 over y. But 10 can also be the 10, or we can further simplify it as 10 to the power 3 to the power 1 upon x minus 1 upon y, which means it becomes 10 to the power 3 times 1 upon x minus 1 upon y. Now we have the same base on both sides. On the left hand side we have power 1, on the right hand side we have power 3. So we are going to equate the powers, and we see that this 1 becomes equal to 3 times of 1 upon x minus 1 upon y, which finally results in 1 upon x minus 1 upon y equal to 1 over 3. So it was a very simple question of dealing with the exponents. We had to use several rules, and we had to understand how to use the given input to find the required output. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching this video.